getting donations. He's trying to
Oh my goodness. Hiya there. My name is Poot Patoot. I'm the principal down here at Birds Island Elementary. Yeah. But again, I just wanted to say one good shout out to Ghost Finders 321. Doing a heck of a job on those EVPs, boy. Thumbs up. Everybody subscribe and hit that bell. From the principal at Bird Island. Peace. Mwah.
keep grinding, dude. I don't know.
I'll see something for a minute. See if there's any alligators down here yet. There's fish in there though. They're jumping. This is like little Pac-Man. Like pew pew pew. You know Pac-Man on the game. It is hot out here in this forest. See wherever the sugar sand is? Sugar sand and heat don't mix. That shit makes it, seems like it makes it get hot. Yeah, right. I'd burn the damn woods down if I was lost and needed help. Somebody will come help me quick. About 20 acres of woods burning down. We got little hog trails where you can tell that hogs has been running around through here. No, we'll see y'all when we get to some other stuff coming up. Let's see what this one is. One thing, always remember, most of the time when you come out here and do something like this, you want to wear pants. You don't want to be like an idiot like we are right now in shorts, because you could be bit by snakes. This is a trail. It's been grown up. You know, bushes are growing over it. You can't see it. Look, it goes all the way straight down. Forgot April's the type of person that don't like to adventure. There's something going up over there. Me, I don't care about the dark. I just like walking through the woods, trail or no trail.
we're gonna be in neighborhood here soon.
I doubt that. I doubt they're gonna let the trail go to a neighborhood, especially when they're talking about having rules about feeding animals and stuff.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay, what is this? Where are we at?
I don't know. You lived here all your life. You tell
I
me.
don't know anything about this.
See, there's an arrow. See, there's an arrow pointing straight to go that way, and there's an arrow pointing to go that way. So, what's that book say?
Well, we started here. Then we went this way. I think we went the wrong way.
Well, there's only two arrows pointing. One's pointing to go straight, and the other one's pointing to go to the left. So you can see all the different shoe prints. So, like I was saying, so people do walk back and forth right here because there's a whole bunch of shoe prints. Now here's where we need to see Bigfoot running around it. Yep. Big old tree. Yeah, as you can see, they were on fire. I'm pretty sure they probably caught this on fire themselves just so they could clear it out in here to make this little nature park. All this ground's burnt with green growing through it. Do not feed scrub jays. It is illegal, and non-natural foods can affect their health.
Oh, look. You can see the rabbit. I just saw a rabbit.
Well, you can't call a rabbit.
I saw a rabbit go that way.
Let's get a walk this way. See that right there? It's just dangerous because they ain't been out here to fix it or work on it or whatever in a long time, probably. Should go, psh, and you'll fall right on down there. I don't know if we should go that way or this way. I guess we'll go this way, I guess. Hopefully it'll circle back around and we go that way. Yeah. You don't see it? They live in this. They live in the sand. It's a gopher turtle.
Will they hurt you?
Of course, if you put your hand up in their mouth. They'll bite the shit out of you.
Turtle, turtle.
Probably looking for his home. It's probably up underneath one of these bushes somewhere. All right, well, we'll leave you alone. I don't know who'd be crazy enough to be coming out here to this forest or this woods out here with stickers and ants and snakes and everything else barefooted, but look at that. Barefoot right there. But that's funny though, because you know what? That's the only one.
I know
That's the only barefoot print. There's none anywhere else. Huh. Them are all shoe prints and tire prints. Just that one footprint. The rest of everything else is shoes. Unless somebody was carrying somebody out here on their back and they like got off for a minute to do something while they had one foot on the ground and they got back up on somebody's back. But hell, that's a long ways to be toting somebody who weighs over 90 pounds.
all the toes are.
Yeah, it look like toes. That's not no big footprint. It'd be way wider and way, even the baby footprints, that would be like a baby footprint of a big foot, but it would be different. Like the heel would be, you could tell the difference between ours and the Bigfoots, or Sasquatch, whatever you want to call it. But look, you can see there's no other foot. Where? No, that ain't toe prints. That's, look, you can see where somebody's walked and they dipped their shoe in like that. I was just looking, because I was just thinking about that too when we were walking. I was like, I see. Alright everybody, well, this is the end of our adventure. It was real small, it was just a little, I didn't, I turned the camera off because it wasn't that spectacular happened until we get where we're going. This is the place, this is what it's called, it's free. You want to get exercise or do something with your family for a couple hours, it's a place to go. Walk around. Yeah, I don't even know. See, it doesn't say about no fishing. So I'm guessing you can fish in the little lake right there. Alright, well, we'll talk to y'all later. I'll put this video out here tonight. Peace out. This is Raymond, Ghost Finders 321 on a nature trail adventure.